Hi everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am excited to be back in Seabrook Village with, you guys know him, Will of Providence Homes by Bill Seller, and he is excited to show us a quick move-in, ready today for you here again in Seabrook Village. Thanks for having us, Will.
Thanks, Heather. Yeah, this is the Royal floor plan, and it features 4 full bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. It's the beautiful Cape Cod elevation with that nice shake shingle look from the outside. Full 2-car garage as well. Nice glass on the doors.
And I love the pavers all here, the driveway, entryway as we come up. And you could put chairs out here, which I love, so greeting your neighbors, because a big selling point here in Nocatee is you can meet your neighbors. People want to be your friends here.
That's right.
So again, regardless of life stage too, because people are moving here with kids or they're moving here in retirement. And so great way to meet your neighbors. Now look at this beautiful, beautiful kitchen as we're coming in. Tell us about what we're looking at, Will.
So in here, we've got a gourmet kitchen with a cooktop, oven tower. We got nice 42-inch white cabinets with a beautiful farm-style sink.
And look on the sink, Carling, if you don't mind panning back. Something Will pointed out to us earlier. Look at the lip right here, which is great. So you could put something like a cutting board, which is terrific. So you can be chopping, cleaning. So you know you guys like to do that. Beautiful in that gourmet kitchen. Gas.
Gas cooktop, that's right. It's already piped into your home, so you don't have to have a propane tank.
And you mentioned there is the wiring already for under cabinet lighting.
That's right. It's already set up and ready to go. And over here, we've got a butler's pantry as well. So you've got cabinets, countertop. It's set up with a plug underneath for a wine fridge, a beverage fridge. So that's a really nice part of this house as well.
That's a really nice added feature that you put here, because what you could have done is easily just close this area off and just make a true separate room. I like that you kept it open. So people are using this front space for all different types of things you were telling me earlier.
That's right. Yeah, you could do a dining room. It could be a sitting room, reading room. You can make it into an office. There's a lot of different things you could do with this room.
Yeah, a kid's playroom. So many great spaces here in this house that you're going to see as we continue to go through it. But I do love, again, this front bedroom of the Royal quick move-in and the butler's pantry that you saw. And then look at this ceiling. Okay, Providence Homes spared no expense right here.
Yeah, this is kind of the highlight of this area out here. This beautiful vaulted ceiling with the beams up here as well. It just feels really grand, looks awesome, and it's just really unique to Providence Homes, so it's really cool.
You've got the recessed lights. Look at the windows also.
Yeah, they actually added more transom windows in the cafe in the family room here to add additional light into the home.
And you can break this space up. It's a great entertaining space, but like they're showing you, they put just a simple light right here, guys. You could put whatever you want, but you can make this a huge eating area. You can put easily 8 to 10 chairs around an oval table, a circle table. Again, the space in here and the dimensions are outstanding. And then look at your view. Those of you asking for a pond view, here you go, guys. A quick move-in ready for you with a pond view from your beautiful, beautiful home here in Seabrook Village.
Yeah, they also added a gas stub out, electrical outlets here if you wanted to do a future summer kitchen, put a TV up there. It's just a great space to hang out and entertain on the weekends.
And for more privacy, sometimes people are putting bushes in. You can do that. You can also, there is a fence you can put here in your home. Your neighbor actually already has one, which is terrific. And look at this primary bedroom. Okay, first of all, everyone needs to know that the carpet is really, really beautiful, but it's squishy on the feet.
Yeah, they did a nice upgraded carpet in this bedroom. It's got the bumped out bay window too.
Okay, but why are we going in the bathroom first, Will? I know there's something you wanted to show us.
Just a massive bathroom in here with a double vanity sink. And then the highlight of this is probably the shower. It's called the Escape Spa. You've got 3 different shower heads in there. One coming from the ceiling, we call it the rain head, with a beautiful tile going all the way to the ceiling, a nice glass enclosure. And then I call this almost a 5th bedroom over here. It's a massive closet.
Okay, that closet really is massive. The camera is not doing it justice, but I promise you, that is a giant closet. It's actually something that we've seen in some of the, I'll call them estate homes that Providence Homes has built through the years here in Nocatee. That's a closet that anyone would love to have. And they, of course, put those wire racks in there. You can easily take them out. You can customize that closet however you like. That was a linen closet that Carling just passed as you were coming in. And then, as Will said, look at that beautiful bay window. In the middle is a beautiful, I'm going to call it picture window, but the most beautiful, beautiful view again. Pond view. Beautiful day here in Seabrook Village. And, Will, this particular home is steps away from one of the highlights of this community.
Seabrook Village Park, that's right. It's got dog park, playground, pavilion. It's also got a swimming pool to enjoy. Just really, really nice park over there.
So Seabrook Park, everyone, first of all, you can see it. We've done a video there, so you can see that on Nocatee.com. Just type in Walk Through Wednesday, click on Seabrook Park. But Seabrook Park, if you do move here with dogs or kids, that is where they're actually going to be playing. It has one of the best playgrounds, and it has actually the largest dog park dry for large dogs here in Nocatee. It's breathtaking. So again, you don't have to worry about them messing up your yard here. Okay, Carling just showed a terrific laundry room. I just saw her pop in there. That laundry room, everybody knows I like a laundry room, and thank you for going ahead and doing built-ins in there.
Yeah, the cabinets in there are really nice. It's a beautiful upgrade, just a great thing to put some laundry room items in that.
And then a full bath Carling showed, and then Carling, you're gonna pop in, you've got 2 more bedrooms. So whether you need those 2 bedrooms for children, or again, Will has mentioned office space, or if you're a retiree, you know, you've got a workout room if you want it in one space.
Yeah, you could put a Peloton in one of them.
Yes, you could, absolutely. And then as Carling backs out, Carling, if you'll look a little to your left, just as you back out, because again, more storage, that's another linen closet, storage closet. So Providence Homes always does a great job with taking every inch of space and trying to make it useful for the buyer. And then Carling is showing again the great entertaining space. And then we're gonna pop to the left because this house is not done, everyone. There is still more, and look what we're seeing here. Great drop zone.
Yep, come in here from the park or from sports, put your shoes in there, towels, whatever you want to do over there. It's a great mudroom space before you go up to the bonus room.
So coming the garage to that drop zone, and then here we're going up to the bonus room.
Correct.
And then different zones, you had mentioned earlier to me with the air conditioning.
That's right, Heather. For how Providence builds 100% Energy Star certified, all of our homes come standard with multiple zone thermostats. So the beauty of that is you could control temperature in the bedrooms, in the main living area, in the bonus room. So if you're sleeping at night in your bedroom, you could just cool down that one room even more than the rest of the house. You're not spending a lot of money cooling down your entire house at night.
So that to me is a great selling feature and another reason to purchase a Providence Homes here in Nocatee. But this quick move in, the Royal, outstanding floor plan, a little over 2,500 square feet. And what we're in right now is really a giant, we're gonna call it a bonus room, but guys, this could be a guest room. It could be where your teenager is. A lot of people, their kids are going to college here locally. They could live here. Look at that full bath.
That's right. It's really private because the stairs are right off of the garage. So they could just come in through the garage and go right up there.
And we're not over the primary bedroom. I do want to mention that. So where we are right now, this beautiful, again, whatever you're using it for, office, guest room, this space, we are not over that primary bedroom. And again, the upgraded carpet, I just want to jump on it. It is the squishiest carpet I've ever been on. So I love this carpet. I'm so excited, and you're not going to say what they are, but you've got some incentives.
Yeah, we've got a special incentive right now on this home. Just come and call me, and I can give you more details about what that promotion is. It's a special financing incentive right now.
It's money, guys. Money.
Again, this is the Royal floor plan. It's a touch over 2,500 square feet, 4 full bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. Again, my name is Will with Providence Homes.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching Walk Through Wednesday. Buy the Royal today.
Bye,
Bye guys.